Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 9th. We are studying science and its chapter gravitation. Today we shall study its another topic. Till date we have studied so many topics. Hope till date you have understood all topics. Yesterday we studied about weight. Today we shall study weight of an object on moon. Weight on object on earth. So codas which is weight of an object on moon. Moon अगर मूनस पे जून पे नमोन यह चीज़ तत क्या रोज तुम्हें वेट वेट तुम गो कन्फ्यूजन बे गन कि वेट इज नॉट वजन कर इट्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन विच ये अर्थ कर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन प्रथ कुन प्लैनेटन पन तमन पन फोर्स ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड तत क्या अगर ये ऑब्जेक्ट कह नमोन अगर तथ वेट से 100 न्यूटन द्राव तथ वेट अगर सही नमून it will be taken on moon, what will be the weight? That means what will be the force of gravitation there? Force kota है each ऐसा पारुन आज. Just as the weight of an object on earth is the force with which the earth attracts the object, in the same way the weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the moon attracts that object. The gravitational force of moon is about 1/6 that of earth. Therefore, the weight of an object on moon will be about 1/6 what is on the earth. Weight of an object on the earth is earth's पर क्या great question of weight. It is the force with which force earth attracts object. किम force सहित कत्या न्यूटन force सहित कर earth attract अथ कुन. In the same way, weight of an object on moon go, it is the force with which moon attracts that object. अगर ये moon's पे moon कोता कर force of attraction. Say moon or some other planet. It just reference कर moon. Other it can be taken to some other planets. Since the gravitational force of moon is about, it has been found the gravitational force of moon is 1/6. अगर का object say this pen, अगर ये experience करा चाहिए ये अगर ये करा चाहिए this force 10 न्यूटन खुद गए 1/6 तमुक. से अगर ये एक्सपीरियंस कर 6 न्यूटन खुद गए तमिस मूनस पे नमोन 1 न्यूटन. अगर तुम स्प्रिंग बैलेंस तक त्रिन तत अलमुत यह हाय तत 1 न्यूटन फोर्स गो 6 गन गो यह तत कम. यह क्या गो कम? Thus spring balance which shows the weight of an object to be अगर 6 न्यूटन on the earth है it is taken on this moon it will show 1 न्यूटन अगर ये तत थ्रावो. इथे पे अगर कह तो ये 6 न्यूटन है से हुत है 10 न्यूटन कत मूनस पे. यह क्या because the weight of an object on moon is less than that of earth because the moon and because the mass and radius of earth. हम समझ जो factor अहम कर पूर mass of that planet and radius. mass तो moon's कम radius तो earth निश कम तो तिम सतन force of gravity अथ पे depend. It depends on mass and this radius. तो तवे तत फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी गसा कम तवे तत वेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स गसा कम. इट इज अबाउट 1/6 दैट ऑफ एन ऑन द अर्थ. वो करो डिराइव कत पे गो टू शो वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन मून इज 1/6 देन वेट ऑफ द अर्थ 1/6 कत पे मूनस पे यह करो डिराइव. सपोज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ मास m स्मॉल m कह ऑब्जेक्ट नो से दिस ऑब्जेक्ट मास m लेट इट्स वेट ऑन द मून बी WM वेट ऑन मून तत अमिस वेट WM कत this moon. Suppose the mass of moon sit karo suppose imuk mass as moon m radius moon it is r. Now according to go agar is weight on object on moon suppose the mass of moon as m radius r the objective suppose an object mass is small m. Now according to law of universal law of gravitation is pormut the weight force of object on moon will be second weight on moon WM so go G into M you go gravitational gravitational constant you go mass of the moon you go mass of object divided by r square just pormut. Thus this weight is actually it's actually force yeli object is moon's पे ms को force करी apply gravitational force यात इस वना या force of gravity वना this gravitational force वना छे. Suppose the weight of the same यो object On the earth is WE, weight of the earth. We know that mass of earth is 100 times that of moon. Had gun allow, cash worry about him. And radius of earth is numerical value. Earth, radius 4 times cool, it's 100 times worry image board in terms of mass in moon. Thus, if mass of moon is agar mass of moon m, then the mass of earth will be mass of moon is m with light mass of moon is m. You get 100 m till earth is 100 times in board. And if radius r, agar radius 4 times radius goes 4 r. Now apply universal law of gravitation apply weight on earth. G into 100 into m divided by 4 r square. So go weight on earth, weight of object on earth. So go G into 100 into m go 16 r square. Dividing equation. The dividing equation one equation is derive here y2 yip karun divide him side. Go wm ko here value G into m divided by r square divided by G into 100 into m divided by 16 r square. This karun is solve. W weight of object of moon and weight of object on earth. Who is solve kara? G into m into r square. Is per sure ka jad kasi reverse. Ka sure wise simple. It is 16 r square divided by G into 100 into m and into m. Num sorry guys nikal G go G side cancel. M go m side cancel. Small m go small m side. R square can't get root. Wm divided weight of object on moon divided by weight of object on earth. You go 16 divided by 100. You go 1 by 6. That's weight of object on moon. You draw it is 1/6 that of weight on earth. Weight of earth on moon it is 1 by 1/6. Yani guys 1 by 6 the issue weight issue mass mass will remain same. Hope you have understood it.